foods, drinks, and luxury, all in one place. Welcome to the Kuala Lumpur International Airport Lounge. So first of all, as we're having a priority pass, so we can use it free of cost. So let's see. Welcome to the Travel Club Lounge, Kuala Lumpur International Airport, Malaysia. First thing first, a glimpse of Kuala Lumpur International Airport. Imagine a city wrapped in runways. Not just vast, but alive. So first of all, we've got pink guava juice. Then detox water. Sip your way to purity. Drinking water, chocolate Danish, butter croissant, assorted bread, jam strawberry, James honey and orange, unsalted and salted butter. Congee with condiment, a form of warm Chinese rice served with flavorful toppings. Chicken rendang, a spicy Indonesian dish made of chicken, milk, and spices. Smells very good and looks delicious. Then chicken breakfast sausage. Baked bean. Baked bean are soft and tasty, cooked in tomato sauce. People eat it with bread or eggs. Healthy and simple meal. Hash brown, fried potato dish, golden and crispy, taste salty and yummy. Then grilled tomato, vegetable talca Malay style, made of lentils and vegetables, cooked with Malay spices, pereda, boiled egg, anchovies, and then nasi lemak. This is Malaysian national dish, cooked in coconut milk, taste is spicy and creamy. Cucumber, nuts, and sambal. Then dai mee sayam, kind of Malaysian noodle, different types of biscuits, cheese, sauces, tuna fish sandwich, and different fruit. Then fresh green corner, kind of nature's pool. You can also say green goodness bar or salad garden. Then pickled papaya and pickled umbrella. Then dessert heaven. Different types of fruits like watermelon, apple, or pineapple. Then chocolate muffin and Malaysian kuih. You can relax and savor your meal right here. Then refreshment corner. You can have the experience of different drinks here and you don't have to pay a dime. Your platinum credit card and priority pass take care of it. There are 4 lounges in this airport. Thailand's Travel Club Lounge Odo, so we are back. The Travel Club Lounge is operated by HIS Travel Malaysia. And if I say the location, Terminal 1, Airside International Departure, Satellite Building in between Gate 11 to 17. You can stay here up to 3 hours. Children under 3 years are admitted free. Additional information. Complimentary shoe shine available inside this lounge. There are several facilities like disabled access, TV, no smoking zone, refreshment, air conditioning, flight information, digital card acceptance, and Wi-Fi. You can keep an eye on your flight updates right on TV screen and the lounge will give you a heads up once boarding begins. Alright, so I think that's all for today. I hope you liked it. This was the Kuala Lumpur International Airport Lounge and I hope you like it. And inshallah, see you in the next video. Take care, Assalamualaikum.